Welcome back to Miss Auto Review. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Bajaj King Ascend auto rickshaw. Bajaj has long been a leader in the auto rickshaw market, and the King Ascend model continues this legacy. Designed with both drivers and passengers in mind, it offers a blend of comfort, efficiency, and durability. Under the hood, the King Ascend features a robust 200cc engine, providing ample power for urban commutes and short-distance travel. This engine is known for its fuel efficiency, a crucial factor for daily operators aiming to maximize profitability. The exterior design balances aesthetics with functionality. Its compact frame allows for easy navigation through congested city streets, while the enhanced suspension system ensures a smoother ride, even on uneven terrains. Inside, passenger comfort is a priority. The spacious cabin accommodates up to 3 passengers, featuring ergonomic seating and improved legroom. Ventilation has been optimized to ensure a pleasant journey, regardless of weather conditions. Safety has not been overlooked. The King Ascend is equipped with reliable braking systems and enhanced visibility features, including brighter headlights and reflective materials, to ensure safety during night travels. Now, let's talk about the expected price. While Bajaj has yet to release official pricing for the 2025 King Ascend, we can make an informed estimate by examining current market trends. As of early 2025, auto rickshaw prices in Pakistan vary depending on the brand and model. For instance, the Sazgar Deluxe Minicab is priced at approximately 280,000 Pakistani rupees, while the Sazgar Deluxe XLA reaches up to 495,000 Pakistani rupees. Given Bajaj's reputation and the features offered in the King Ascend, it's reasonable to anticipate a price range between 400,000 Pakistani rupees to 500,000 Pakistani rupees. However, factors such as import duties, regional taxes, and dealer markups may influence the final cost. It's also important to note that the automotive industry has experienced price fluctuations due to rising raw material costs and currency exchange rates. For example, in October 2021, manufacturers increased auto rickshaw prices in response to higher steel costs and currency depreciation. Such economic factors could impact the final pricing of the King Ascend. In conclusion, the 2025 Bajaj King Ascend auto rickshaw promises to be a noteworthy addition to the market, offering a harmonious blend of performance, comfort, and safety. While we await official pricing details, prospective buyers should consider current market trends and economic factors when planning their purchase. Stay tuned to Miss Auto Review for more updates on the latest in the auto industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our future reviews.